Imagine Olori Toby Phillips advising Ooni of Ife in this critical moment of Ooni of Ife's life and Queen Naomi, that Olori have the guts, Toby Phillips have the guts to advise Ooni of Ife. Which kind advice be this one sef? Huh? Why won't Toby Phillips mind her business? Why won't she mind her children? Look at the beautiful kids that God has given to her, that she should relax and dey take care of them for God. And she's there looking for who to advise. Who make her Ooni of Ife's adviser? Anyway sha my correct pipu, allegedly we come dey hear say um Olori Tobi don advise Ooni of Ife concerning Tadenikawo. As we hear allegedly, they say that Toby Phillips don advise Ooni of Ife make Ooni of Ife go bring Tadenikawo back to the palace. Since Queen Naomi wants to get married, let her go and get married so that Tadenikawo will come back to the palace of Ile-Ife. That since the man have done introduction, wetin they call am, proposal, the man have proposed that Queen Naomi should accept, let Tadenikawo come back to the palace. And if Tadenikawo cannot stay in the palace, that Tadenikawo should come to Ikoyi so that she can be taking care of Tadenikawo in Ikoyi alongside with her children. At least her children will now see, Tadenikawo will now see her children to play with. My correct people, I don't know wetin they happen, what is wrong with Olori Toby Phillips. Anyway, now Ooni of Ife wey give that kind of advice, make she try that nonsense for Queen Naomi's side. Make Queen Naomi show her say she don dey kolo. So Ooni of Ife was like, which kind of advice is this? How do you expect that you give me this kind of advice and I will take it? There's no how I will take it, because I want to bring back Queen Naomi to the palace. Nobody is marrying off Queen Naomi. Queen Naomi is my wife. And you, mind that you're Ikoyi, because you're not coming back to this palace again. If you know anywhere you are right now, just mind that place. Stay that place. For you to come back to this palace, no, you're not coming back to this palace again. All she want now is Tadenikawo. That Ooni of Ife should bring back Tadenikawo. You know, Ashley have thought about Tadenikawo once. So the time they said that Ashley told Ooni of Ife to bring back Tadenikawo, that she is going to close up her her restaurant in UK, and she will come and be taking care of Tade. That if Queen Naomi don't want to come back to the palace, let her not come. That Tade should come back to the palace, that Tade is the prince. And you know, all she is saying is just that the prince is not supposed to stay outside the palace. But that is not the prince. They are not the main wife of Ooni of Ife. They cannot respect Ooni of Ife to go where Ooni of Ife want them to go. Now, just imagine Toby advising Ooni of Ife to bring back Tadenikawo. Let Tadenikawo and her children stay. That she will even be happy that Tade and her children grows together. Just imagine. Anyway, my correct people. Now this time where proposal don I just like this proposal of a thing. I like it. Yes. Why I like it is because the thing just dey wake some people up from sleep. Like say as we dey hear, allegedly Ooni of Ife don wake up from sleep. As he don dey do anything wey he fit do now, make Queen Naomi come back. Although she's begging that Queen Naomi should at least allow him plan things. At least let it reach June. June no even reach up to 2 months now. Today is almost 18th of this April. You see, abi 19th sef. Me sef, I don't even know date again because of this Queen Naomi issue. They scatter my brain too. Anyway, my correct people, Ooni of Ife is running helter-skelter, looking for what to do so that Queen Naomi will come back. As Ooni of Ife brain no even organize now. Na im Toby come carry her own, come dey advise am. Okay, look at another issue that is even eating Ooni of Ife up right now. As Ooni of Ife is trying to bring Queen Naomi back, Olori Ronke doctor just confirmed that Ronke is pregnant for Ooni of Ife. Anyway, it's not that she's pregnant for Ooni but she's pregnant because Toby own we never know whether na Ooni get am abi no be Ooni get am because she never do DNA test wey dem tell her to do. So her own case is somehow different. Na Toby na Ronke own now you come dey hear say she dey expect. Very soon now Mariam don dey expect since now as we hear o. Don't forget say na here we dey hear am, no be we dey there for the palace dey see all those things. So Mariam have been outside the palace for long now saying that she's also expecting. All of them go expect very soon if Ashley hears wetin dey go on now. Ashley go also start dey expect. They know how to expect and the expectation will come to pass. And you see some people are saying that why Toby have to say this to Ooni is because of the hatred that she have for Queen Naomi. Now why would you go and bring Tadenikawo to the palace or be to yourself while the mother of Tadenikawo is still there? Is it Toby that can take care of Tade more than Queen Naomi? Or is it that Toby wants to come and share the goodness of proper upbringing that Tadenika will have with her children? If she want, let her ask Queen Naomi how in dey raise im own so that Queen Naomi will teach her. But see, let me tell you, even if Queen Naomi teach her how to raise her babies, she no come get good character. Those babies go still possess that her bad character. Na wetin you get you go give to another person. That character trait in you, as your children dey come out, they go dey carry am dey come. If you have good character, if you have good family upbringing, if your children dey come out, they go carry good things that you have and come out. That is one thing in this life. You cannot learn what you don't know. So anyway, let me not say you cannot learn what you don't know. You can learn it, but somebody like Toby, is she going to bend down to learn? She don't have twins, and you think that she can actually learn from anybody. When it's even come to do with Queen Naomi that she sees as her enemy. Anyway, share my correct people. My own is that whether she advised Ooni of Ife to bring back Tade or not, Ooni of Ife should not stop whatever he's doing, because the father don also advise Ooni of Ife. Ooni of Ife's father don advise am, tell am say, you see, this woman want to slip off your hand. Ooni of Ife still send the father to go and please beg Queen Naomi. The father have begged Queen Naomi. At least let Queen Naomi stay up to June. Everybody is talking about that June. You see, if June come reach, Ooni of Ife no do something, you go feel here say Queen Naomi don slip off Ooni of Ife's hand, that Ooni of Ife is no longer marrying Queen Naomi. Yes, because Ooni of Ife is not serious. The way I'm seeing that man, he's not serious. This old kegos wey dey for palace dey deceive am, but the thing go do am vam for eye anytime when go hear say Queen Naomi don enter another man's house. And that thing that he did, in short, Ooni of Ife fathers don't even tell Ooni of Ife say, if you no wan undo this thing what you do for this woman, you no want to bring her back, I will try and undo it on myself, by myself. You see? Anyway, share my people, don't forget that they are alleged information.